On sloped rooftops, you can also insert cornices or eaves. Let's select the cornice architectural object. A click on the roof slope automatically recognizes its outline, highlighting it in orange. The cornice or eave can now be placed on the front of the roof slope, but also on the side too. If we move the mouse cursor over the boundary, this is then highlighted in green. This also allows us to view and therefore choose on which side of the roof slope we want to insert the cornice. By clicking on the segment, the start point of the cornice is then set. Moving on, we can define the depth of the cornice. And once the measurement is identified, with a further click we can then set it into place. The depth can also be defined by directly typing in the value from the keyboard. In floor plan view, the area of the cornice is highlighted in yellow and in grey when in the 3D view. To save our work and complete the insert phase, simply click on Finish.